My name is Ruel.
Hi, my name is Mickey.
Hi, I'm Sai.
And I'm Iya. And we're Foundation for the Future.
Our video was made, when we thought of the video, we were thinking about the 15% hazardous waste that hospitals were making. We used that point to drive our message further, and we focus on actually getting that across. So I'm happy that our won third place, and I'm happy that the message is actually understood by the judges.
I think what was important for us that we were able to deliver our message clearly and also start with a very captivating or like enticing opening. And also I think because we're like art students or like MMA students, that's where we integrated our experience and skills into the production of the video.
Yeah, and I think compared to all of the other schools now, we competed against, like they all had good videos. But I think that's because we come from an art school, yun yung edge namin, where it's like, we decided to use editing to our advantage since yun na yung tinuturuan sa amin, and it's by
me. Actually, they mentioned sila po with all the ideas. Super grateful for my teammates for the ideas. Nag-edit lang. Very rushed, under time pressure, but I'm happy that we pulled through. Yeah.
Hoy, kung walang editor, walang output, di ba? Oo. Oh, one last thing. Let's do a shout out. On the count of 3, sigaw kayo ng What's Up Pilipinas? Let's mobilize and ignite. Then sa dulo, yay!
Let's mobilize and ignite.
Yun, kaya. Sa dulo, yay! O yan, sige kaya ha. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Filipinas? Let's mobilize and ignite!